Today I will show a demonstration of how to start iC7 grid converter in grid forming island control mode. So this is my hill model. I have DC bus here, iC7 grid converter, AC filter, main circuit breaker, a transformer, some measurements, then there's a generator side connector and a grid. In this test I will not use this, or I will keep this one open. So now I'm in MyDrive Insight. I have added some parameters to my favorites, starting from grid nominal frequency, grid nominal voltage, transformer grid side voltage, transformer converter side voltage, transformer phase shift, transformer nominal power, transformer nominal frequency, transformer short circuit impedance, transformer no load losses. I have selected Island as my operation mode, and I can see that the active operation mode is also Island. DC link voltage ref, I don't need this, so I can remove this. Run enable interlock is already high. Switch on enable, I have set it to high as well. Then configuration for opening and closing the main circuit breaker. For this demo, let's change the voltage ramp time to see some ramp in the output voltage. I set it now for half a second. Here I can see I already have DC link voltage. My hill model is running. My application ready status bit 0, which corresponds to ready, is also true. I can see that. Also application ready status word, all bits are true. So which means I have all these conditions are active. My frequency reference is right now 50 Hz, which is the same as the grid nominal frequency, and voltage reference is 100% of the nominal voltage of the grid nominal voltage. So if I press the start now, I should be able to see the ramp. I have hidden all the signals, so here I can see all of them, and I can press stop here, pause this, and we can move a bit. We can try to see the ramp time. We can see that the frequency goes straight to the reference in a step, while the voltage is being ramped up to the reference based on the voltage ramp time. So it's around 500 milliseconds, so half a second.